In this video, you are going to learn how to use hashtags to increase the visibility of your tweets. So first off, what is a hashtag? Well, when you go to tweet on Twitter, you have the option to put in the pound key and then maybe a keyword about what your tweet relates to. So you could see personal finance, you could say Monday motivation, and you can see that when you start to type in hashtags here, Twitter will start to suggest some popular ones to you. Now, how does this increase your visibility on Twitter? Well, first of all, people use the search bar to find tweets related to certain topics. So if we type in that same one, personal finance, what we can see now are all of the top tweets and latest tweets or people, photos, videos, news, or broadcasts that relate to that topic. And you can see even by searching for maybe one hashtag that you think you could include and identify other ones that would be popular to include as well. And these hashtags really help to group conversations together, and that is a key thing that Twitter wants to do, really to organize conversations and to group them together. And these hashtags are a key way to do this. So you can not only use these hashtags to be easily found through the search, but you can also create your own hashtags if you were running a certain campaign and you wanted to search and see how many people were talking about your campaign online. You'll probably see this often on TV shows. They have the hashtag for the TV show, and that enables people to tweet to include that hashtag. Then the TV show can find those tweets easily on Twitter, and then they're able to retweet or engage with them. So it's the same strategy that other companies are using. You can embrace that for yourself. Either create a hashtag for your brand or for your individual company, or just use these hashtags in order to group your tweets into the larger conversation that's happening on Twitter. Now also over here on the left hand side, you can see the most popular tweets, and usually these are shown based on your location. And by seeing the hashtags for your location, you can participate in these larger conversations that are happening on Twitter. And that'll help increase your visibility because you're participating in these large local conversations online. Now, if you want, you can change the location, select a more specific location, maybe a city, and you can also get tailored trends. So these are more the trends that are based on your interests rather than your locations. So you can play around with that and really identify some of the hashtags that you could potentially get involved in. So the best advice is to maybe just include 1 or 2 hashtags per tweet so that you can be found in the search engines, and also that you can be found as part of those larger conversations happening on Twitter, either around your topic or around your location.